Hey everyone, it's Paulo here, and in this video, we will be talking about Avida Towers Riala, and I will show you the Avida Towers Riala project overview and Avida Towers Riala sample computation. Now make sure that you watch this video all the way to the end, because at the end of the video, I will be giving you more information on how you can participate and get the chance to win 10,000 pesos cash on our end of the month cash giveaway. Okay, welcome back to my channel. Now, if you are brand new, my name is Paulo Beringel and I teach people about real estate investing in the Philippines. So if you like this kind of videos, please consider subscribing to the channel and turn on that bell icon so that you can get my updates whenever I release a new video. So in this video guys, we will be talking about real estate investing in the Philippines, specifically about Avida Towers Riala. And if you're watching this video, chances are that you have been looking for ways on how to invest with Avida Towers Riala located at Cebu IT Park. So what I'm gonna do in this video guys is I will give you the project overview of Avida Towers Riala, and then I will show you some information about Avida Towers Riala. Now for those of you guys who would like to get more information about Avida Towers Riala, and if you would like to invest in Avida Towers Riala at Cebu IT Park, I will put the contact details of Great Trinidad on the screen, and you can message him on Facebook Messenger, on WhatsApp or Viber, and you can also email him. And I will also put the contact details of Miss Andrea Lu on the screen so that you can message her on Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp or Viber, and you can email her. Let them know that you have seen my video. And again, my name is Paulo Beringel, and they will give you the information about Avida Towers Riala, and they will also give you the current promo and discounts with Avida Land projects. So now let's talk about the Avida Towers Riala project overview. So this is the presentation that they gave me. So again, if you want to get a copy of this PDF presentation, you can message Great Trinidad or Andrea Lu. So on this PDF, again, Avida Towers Riala is located at Cebu IT Park, and Cebu IT Park is Cebu's preferred IT and BPO destination. So this is just a highlight or the overview that there's about 68,997 current jobs generated in Cebu IT Park, and this is home to over 70% of Cebu's BPO industry and over 200 local and foreign companies that are operating in this particular area. So with regards to the area, they have the Ceres P2P bus services, and they also have this police sub-precinct, which is the Mabolo Police Station. This is the walk. I believe this is a shopping center, and they also have the garden block. They have the Sugbo Mercado, or which is the weekend food market, and the central block, and the Ayala Mall central block. So now let's talk about the Avida Towers Riala project overview. So as you can see on the artist perspective, Avida Towers Riala will consists of 5 towers. So currently they have Tower 1, Tower 2, Tower 3, Tower 4, and Tower 5. So as of recording this video guys, they currently have limited ready for occupancy units from Tower 1 to Tower 3. And as of recording this video, they have a lot of Tower 5 pre-selling units that are available. So with Avida Towers Riala, the total land area of the project is 21,246 square meters. And this is owned and developed by Avida Land Corporation. This is the vicinity map, and if you're familiar with Cebu IT Park, this is where Avida Towers Riala is located. And they currently have, it's close to schools and universities, as you can see on the list. They also have a list of hospitals that are nearby, and also some churches. So with the project overview specifically for Tower 5, with Tower 5, there are 5 parking levels, and there are 262 parking slots that are available for sale. There are 31 residential levels, so there is basically 31 floors, and then 774 units that are available for sale, and 25 residential units per floor. So what it means is that per floor, you have 25 condominium units. With the building features, it will come with the main lobby for each building, 3 elevator units per building, emergency power for common areas and inside units. They also come with a garbage room per floor, fire alarm and sprinkler system, mailbox per unit located at each building lobby, water tanks for emergency water supply, electricity, telephone, cable TV, and internet-ready units, 24-hour security services, and CCTVs in critical areas. Within the common area, they have the Grand Lawn, which consists of 5,000 square meters of green areas and open spaces, which is what they call an urban oasis, which gives you the convenience of an urban green lifestyle and the integration of urban vitality and green tranquility. So with the project update, this is the Avida Towers Riala amenity area. They have the Grand Lawn stairs, the multi-purpose hall, the front landscape and tower entrance, the UGF lawn, shooting court or basketball court, and the amenity deck. So now let's talk about the typical floor plan for Tower 5. So as you can see, this side right here will be facing the mountain ranges. And on this side, this will be facing the courtyard. And on this side, this will be facing the Grand Lawn. And on this part right here, this will be facing the Cebu IT Park. And as you can see, guys, there are a couple of units that are available. So these are the legends. So this color will be the studio units. And this color green is the 1-bedroom unit. And this color will be the 2-bedroom unit. Okay, so as you can see, these are the available units. So you currently have 3 1-bedroom units and 2 2-bedroom units. And most of these are studio units that are available for purchase. So now let's talk about the typical studio unit. So as you can see, guys, this is the typical studio unit floor plan. And with the studio unit, this is at 22.8 square meters. And coming from the entrance from the main door, when you come into your unit on the right side, on your right side is the toilet and bath. You have the kitchen, the dining area, and then the living space, which has your basically the bedroom, right? And then this is the artist perspective of the typical studio unit, and this is the actual photo or actual dress-up unit, photos taken from the showroom. So you can have an idea of how it would look like when you put your furnishings. This is a typical 1-bedroom unit, and as you can see, guys, coming from the main entrance, so this is the main entrance with the typical 1-bedroom unit. This is 40.69 square meters. So when you go into the unit, on the left is the kitchen, and then this part is the toilet and bath. You have the dining, you have the living space, which can be also used for a bed, for a bedroom, for visitors. And you have your main bedroom right here. And it has obviously the partition. And this is the actual dress-up unit, photo taken from the showroom, so that you can have an idea of how it would look like when the unit is fully furnished. And they look beautiful, as you can see. So you can visualize how it would look like if this is one of your 1-bedroom unit. So now let's talk about the typical 2-bedroom unit. And with the 2-bedroom unit, it's 57.10 square meters. And this is the typical floor layout. So coming from the main entrance, as soon as you walk in, so in your left would be the kitchen. This is the dining, the living space, which can be converted into like a bedroom for a bed for your visitors. You have your toilet and bath on the left side. And this is a bedroom. And as you can see, you have your master's bedroom with its own toilet and bath as well. So that's the typical 2-bedroom unit, and these are the actual photos of the dress-up unit taken from the showroom. And now let's talk about the standard deliverables. It will come when the unit is turned over to you. It will come with the laminated tiles, painted walls, partitions, and ceiling, as you can see on the photos on the right. It will also come with a kitchen sink and grease trap, laminated countertop and cabinets, panoramic windows, smoke detector and water sprinkler, telephone and cable provisions so that you can just plug and play your telephone lines and Wi-Fi or cable, and internet connections, the complete toilet and bath with ceramic tiles, and utility area for 2-bedroom units. So with regards to the target completion date for Avida Towers Riala, the target completion date is January of 2025. And with the current inventory at Avida Towers Riala, with Towers 1, 2, and 3, they have the last few remaining RFOs, or also called as ready for occupancy units. And they currently have limited studio units, 1-bedroom units, and 2-bedroom units, which are ready for occupancy. And with Tower 4, they only have limited spots for the premium floors, meaning that would be on the higher floors. So if you would like to learn more about the current inventory, again, I will put the contact details of Great Trinidad, and you can message him on Facebook, WhatsApp, or Viber, and you can also email him. And you can also message Andrea Lu. You can message her on WhatsApp, Viber, or Facebook Messenger and email her. Let them know that you have seen my video on YouTube and ask them about the Avida Towers Riala current inventory. So with regards to the value for money and land value appreciation, the Avida Towers Riala is a good potential rental income. And with a studio unit, you can have this rented for about 15,000 to 20,000 a month. For a 1-bedroom unit, you can have this rented out for 25,000 to 35,000 pesos a month. And then for a 2-bedroom unit, you can have this rented out for 40,000 a month and up. So what I'm gonna do now is I will show you the sample computation so that you can have an idea of the estimated costs. So now let's talk about the studio unit at Avida Towers Riala at Cebu IT Park. And this is for a studio unit floor area of 22.8 square meters. So for the sample selling price, it's 5,301,062.50. Now the good thing about this, guys, is that you don't need to pay the full amount of 5,301,000, because if you want to reserve a unit today, all you need to do, as you can see on the screen, is pay the reservation fee of 20,000 pesos. And then after that, after the 30 days, that is the only time that you will have to start paying the monthly amortization. So basically, the way it works is that the way that you compute this, the payment term is called 15% stretch down payment and then 85% bank financing. So the way that you work this out is the sample selling price of 5,301,000, multiply that by 15%, and then that amount will be your down payment. So minus the reservation fee of 20,000 pesos, and then you multiply that into 60 months, which is equivalent to 5 years. So what it means is that once you pay for the reservation fee of 20,000 pesos, after the 30 days, that is the only time that you have to pay the monthly amortization. And on this example, the monthly amortization or monthly payment is 12,919.33 pesos. So that means this is really affordable, and that will be 12,919 in the next 60 months. And then after you pay that monthly payment for the next 60 months, after the 5 years, that is the only time that you have to pay the 85% bank financing. And normally, as an investor, we don't use our own money, and we normally go to a bank and apply for a bank loan or bank financing. So now let's talk about a 1-bedroom unit at Avida Towers Riala. And for this 1-bedroom unit, the floor area is 40.7 square meters. The sample selling price is 9,197,625 pesos. Now, the good thing about this, guys, is that you don't need to pay the whole amount of 9,197,000 pesos. If you want to reserve a unit today, all you need to do is pay the reservation fee of 20,000 pesos. And then after the 30 days, that is the time that you will start paying for the monthly payment, which on this example, the monthly amortization is only 22,660 pesos and 73 cents. So you only need to pay that amount in the next 60 months. And then after the 60 months, that is the time that you will have to pay the 85% lump sum payment. And normally, as an investor, you would apply that as a bank loan or bank financing. So that's it, guys. That's how you can buy a condominium at Avida Towers Riala at Cebu IT Park. So for those of you guys who would like to learn more about the project at Avida Towers Riala at Cebu IT Park, And for those of you guys who would like to invest at Cebu IT Park at Avida Towers, Riala, and get one of these 1-bedroom unit or 2-bedroom units or a studio unit, I will put the contact details of Great Trinidad on the screen, and you can message him on Facebook, WhatsApp, or Viber, and you can also email him. And I will also put the contact details of Miss Andrea Lu on the screen. You can message her on Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, or Viber, and you can also email her. Let them know that you have seen my video on YouTube. And again, my name is Paulo Bringel, and they will be able to assist you and answer any questions you may have. And they will be able to give you more information about Avida Towers, Riala, or the other projects with Avida Land, and give you the latest promo and discounts. Now, for those of you guys who would like to participate in our 10,000 pesos cash giveaway, you just need a couple of steps. So step number 1 is like and share my videos. So you need to go to YouTube and search for the keyword Paulo Bringel Wealth Creation Mastery, and then go to my YouTube channel. So this is my YouTube channel right here. Make sure that you like all my videos and share my videos. And then on step number 2 is subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell. So make sure that you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you can get my updates whenever I release new videos and whenever I announce the winner of the 10,000 pesos cash giveaway. Step number 3 is comment down below and tell me what you learned from this video and that you have liked, shared, and subscribed. And then what we will do is at the end of each month, we will be picking one lucky winner of the 10,000 pesos at the end of the month cash giveaway. So thanks for watching, guys, and I do hope that you like this video, and I do hope that I was able to give you information about Avida Towers, Riala. And for those of you guys who would like to learn more about the Avida Towers, Riala project, and for those of you who would like to invest with Avida Towers, Riala, and get one of these 1-bedroom unit or 2-bedroom units, again, I will put the contact details of Great Trinidad on the screen. You can message him on Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, or Viber, or you can also email him. I will also put the contact details of Miss Andrea Lu on the screen. You can message her on Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, or Viber, and you can also email her. I will also put their Facebook profile links in the description of the video or in the pinned comment so that you can contact them. Let them know that you have seen my YouTube video, and they will give you more information about Avida Towers, Riala, and they will give you the latest promo and discounts with Avida Towers, Riala. So thank you for watching, guys, and I wish you all the best, and God bless.